Hello everyone, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to control who can mention you on TikTok using your Android phone. This is an important privacy setting to manage your interactions and keep your account secure. Open the TikTok app on your Android phone. Tap the three lines icon located at the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Account. Then select Privacy. Now scroll down until you find Mentions. Tap on it. Finally, click on Allow Mentions. From here, choose who can mention you according to your preference. That's how you adjust who can mention you on TikTok for Android. Be sure to review your settings regularly to stay in control of your privacy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.